Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, your social insurance number is very confidential and highly valuable and of course required for you to live perfectly here in Canada. I mean, in many aspects you need it and it's equally important to protect it. But what if you lose it? Maybe you had a card where it's written in the old system and you something happened and you cannot get it. Maybe you lost it. So how can you get it? Or maybe you have just forgotten. So first of all, I'm showing you the way. What you can do is you can go to my service kind account and you can download it from there, that SIN letter. But in reality, you don't have to do this. If you have ever filed taxes before, it will be in your T4 income tax return, tax slips, record of employment, and if you have done RRSP contribution through your financial institution, it will be there definitely. So once you get it, that's fine for you. But if due to whatever reason you cannot find it anywhere, I'm going to show you how you can retrieve it through your my service Canada account. So in Google, I have searched for this social insurance number. See, they have given because it's a confidential feature, or you can say confidential item. So that is why instead of making it a live video, I'm doing it in screenshot basis. So this is a screenshot of the first page of social insurance number. See, they have a section find your SIN. You just need to click on it. Here you can go and log in into your account by clicking there. Now you get multiple options. Either you can use Interact, GC key or provincial sign in, or you can register for an account. So I use Interact because I use banking system here. Now I'm showing some multi-factor authentication here. You don't need to, if you have already set up MFA on your account, you don't have to. Otherwise, it will give you the option how you want to set up second security method. You want to do it on app, password grid. If you want to use phone for SMS or voice, then you have to use a second number. Okay, so there are two phones registered. I selected authentication. So after this, there was a QR code that I had to scan, and then my app generated like a code that I had to put here. Okay, and then my registration completed. Now if you go to your dashboard, there is a section of social insurance number. You click on that, your social insurance number is shown here along with a link to download. And here at the bottom, I have not shown you here, but in the page you will see your details and other information will be present. So this is how you can retrieve it, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.